Oh, there, folks. Hello, there, folks. We're doing 5.14 this time around. Let's see what do we have or what we are required to do. We gotta compute the greatest common divisor, okay? So another solution for listing 5.9 to find the greatest common divisor of two integers n1 and n2 is as follows. First, find d to be the minimum of n1 and n2. Then check whether d minus 1, d minus 2, so on and so forth, up to up to 2. Up to 1. You check all of those. Okay, check from d minus 1, d minus 2, up to 2 or 1, right? You check which one of those integer is a divisor for both n1 and n2 in this order. The first such common divisor is the greatest common divisor for n1 and n2. So write a program that prompts the user to enter two integers and displays a GCD. The GCD, okay? So here's the deal. I've already created my scanner, so what I will then do is to prompt the user to enter two integers, okay? System. I've got this music on my mind. It's like it's playing as I'm taking this video. I've been listening to it. The thing is, I am really into music, you folks. I don't even know how I can make you guys better understand that, okay? Anyways, system.out.print enter two integers. So I'll simply go first number is equal to scanner.next int. Oh my gosh, why can't this music stop in my head right now? Because I feel like I'm gonna find myself spitting it out. Thing is, it's not like these aren't music lyrics. These are some instruments of this music that I just heard this morning, and I cannot get it off my mind. I know you must think I'm being dumb right now for what I just did, okay? Let's continue. If here's what I want to do. Firstly, I want to check if first number is equal to 0 or second number is equal to 0. If this is the case, we all know this is an invalid case. System.out.print okay, what I can do is to go first number and second number. Have no GCD, okay? Okay, else if this is not the case, then we know we good. Okay, the time we get to the core of this exercise, okay, what we'll simply do is to declare an integer called divisor. This is one way of doing it, folks. There are many ways to go about attempting this problem, okay? You can tackle it in different ways. So divisor found This will tell us whether or not we've found our divisor yet. Okay. So here's what I'll do. We were told that we'll initialize our divisor to the minimum of first number. If first number is less than second number, then immediately we know that our first number, then we know that first number divisor will be initialized with first number, otherwise divider will be initialized by second number. Okay, divisor is greater than or equals to 1. Divisor has to be decremented. Okay. Okay, now what do I want to do? Now? I'll simply say if number 1, if first number mode divisor is equals to 0 and second number mode divisor is equals to 0, then we know that divisor is our greatest common divisor. We'll simply go system.out.print the GCD of first number and the second number is divisor. Let's put a full stop in the end. Okay, and then finally wanna go divisor found equal to true. Folks, this is from student A's perspective. So on our loop we've got 2 conditions to check, and right here we only used 1. We keep continuing only if our divisor is greater than or equals to 1. We also want to check if divisor has been found. So I want to continue only if divisor is equals to false. Okay, let's hit the run button, folks, and see what we get. Let's go 35 and 23. Of course, there's no common factor there. Let's try 49, and it is 36. Oops. Oops. $34 and $28. What the fuck? I feel like I messed up somewhere somehow. But let's try something like 49 and 49 and 42. 7 has got to be our solution. Yeah, it seems like our thing is working as we anticipated, folks. Cheers.